Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA LiDAX Ultra 1000 stack and not pairing with the app. If it's not pairing with the app, the first thing that you should try to do is to restart the robot. So for that you need to open the controls. There's this on-off switch. I have it set to on, so I'll set it to on. I have it on off, I'll set it on. Now to restart it, you basically need to set it to off, wait for 15 seconds. If it was on, then it'll do a chime, then turn it on again, and now press and hold on the power button. Now, if that doesn't help, if you still can't connect it with the app, later I'll show you how to go through the whole process of connecting. But if you are in the process but you just can't manage to connect, you should try resetting the Bluetooth network. To do it, press and hold on the OK button for 3 seconds.
Entering Bluetooth pairing mode.
And now you can pair it on your phone. I'll show you how to do it and I'll explain a few more things there. So once you've reset the Bluetooth, you need to remove the device from the app by clicking on its name, clicking on delete and confirming. Then click on add and select your model from the list. And connect to a network, to a Wi-Fi network. It's important that the network is 2.4 GHz and not 5, which means if you have just one network at home, it should be fine. You should try to connect to it and it'll probably work. But if you have two networks and the name is similar, but one of them says 5G or 5 GHz, it's a network you shouldn't connect to. You should connect to the other one that doesn't say 5 GHz. Because that network is going to work. Now enter its password so it can be sent to the robot and click on next. Now our robot is on, so let's select that checkbox, and it's also in Bluetooth pairing mode, so click on next. Now you can see it was discovered right here. I can now click on next.
Start network connection.
And it is connecting.
Connected to network.
And that should help. Make sure to keep your phone close to the robot, as close as possible, preferably a few inches from the robot. Also remember to keep your robot close to the home Wi-Fi router, and that should help you with all of that. But if it all didn't help, the last chance is to reset it, to factory reset it. And in order to do it, you will need to press on the power and OK button for together, and that will reset it. And that will erase the data on the robot, because resetting Bluetooth didn't delete the map, didn't delete anything at all. But resetting by pressing both of them will do it. So let's try it. Okay, it didn't do it. Probably was a different combination. I'll check that because I'm not sure. Okay, sorry, it was the combination of these two buttons, the play pause and the OK button. Hold them for up to 5 seconds and it'll say out loud resetting robot. Then, as you can hear now, it will start restarting. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.